We'll be reviewing the Sara3000. This is a powered sit-to-stand device. If you reference the quick mobility screen, this is for your mod assist patient. So this patient has trunk control. They have the strength to attempt to stand up, but they need physical assistance to go from sit to stand. So this piece of equipment will do the lifting for you. So the Sara3000 is battery operated. Right here, there's a button. You push that in, pull out. That is the battery. The battery chargers are here up against the wall, and they do need to be changed every 12 hours. So this battery says it's charged, so we can swap it out. You see the amber button telling below that's telling you it's charging, and then plug the new battery in. And we recommend changing them at least once per shift. That keeps the longevity of the lithium battery life. Green button turns it on. Up button is going to raise it, but it's also waking up the machine so you can see what that battery life is. You can see it's green. Green is good, red is dead. You also have a handheld set here with the up and down arrow that's going to raise and lower the patient. The two buttons at the bottom are the chassis legs that separate it and bring it back together. So if you're trying to get around a chair, you have the ability to do so. You do need to use a sling. This is the wipeable version. You always want the label to be face up, and it has a sizing indicator here. Green is large, and the inside part's gonna go around the patient's waist. So go ahead and lean forward. And it has a buckle, so you're gonna secure it around the patient's waist and encourage them to sit back. Now you're gonna bring your machine around, encourage the patient to put their feet on that foot plate. So go ahead and sit forward now so you're right up against the knee pads there too. This one you do lock the wheels. Now you will attach the sling. So you have ladder straps here. Encourage the patient to sit forward, securing those clips. It's like a little loop, so you put it in on the larger and bring it down to the narrower. Go ahead and sit back. How is that? Good. All right, go ahead and hold on here if you can. Always standing at the side of your patient so you can see that their knees are still in a soft bend and that it's not pulling on their back. How are you doing? Good. And always communicating to the patient ahead of time what you're going to be doing and what the lift is doing for them. All right, is that comfortable? Mm-hmm. All right, so now you'll unlock your wheels, bring your machine out, never twist. So if you cannot turn the patient from this position, you can come to the side, holding on that machine, pushing that front wheel with your leg until you're positioned where you want to go. Bring the chassis legs back together when you're moving the patient throughout the room. You can use this to get a patient out of bed onto a bedside commode, from a chair back to bed, bed to chair. Any questions? That's it.